Now the thin thread-like structure which is formed is known as now chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber. Okay, this is still not chromosome. All right. Now one more term we are going to use. What is here? Here is histone protein, and here is the DNA which is wound around. Is it all right? So this is a complex. This is a complex of histone proteins and DNA. Always remember, histone protein is not a part of DNA. Is it clear? It's not. It is just helping the DNA to reduce its size. Is it all right? So histone protein. Now this complex is known as nucleosome. So we have done two terms, nucleotide, which is a part of DNA itself, sugar, nitrogenous base, phosphate, and what is nucleosome? It is a complex of histone protein and DNA. This is after winding several times, after winding the DNA itself is winding around the histone protein several times. Is it clear? Throughout its length it is winding itself several times, and it has shortened and thickened. It is not that long and thin. It has shortened and thickened, and now this has formed into chromatin fiber. During chromatin fibers are present throughout the non-dividing phase of a cycle, when the cell is not dividing. During cell division, this chromatin fiber, the chromatin fiber, now there is no histone, it is now this chromatin fiber during cell division coiling up. It is not with the help of histone protein. This is a chromatin fiber. Histone proteins are already present here. This is formed by the coiling around of histone protein. This is a chromatin fiber. Now this chromatin fiber coils up more. This chromatin fiber coils up more and forms a very short and thick and prominent structure. If you see this structure under microscope, it will appear like this, and now we call this as chromosome. So what are we finding? How can we relate DNA to chromatin fibers to chromosome? DNA are winding around the histone proteins to form chromatin fibers, which are still thin thread-like structure. They remain throughout the non-dividing phase of the cell, and then when the cells start to divide, this thread-like structure, is it clear, which is actually a coiled DNA, they coil further and they take the shape of this. This is this shape it takes, and this is known as chromosome. So what is chromosome? Chromosome is a coiled chromatin fiber. And what is chromatin fiber? Chromatin fiber is coiled DNA. So what is chromosome? Chromosome is actually DNA. Thank you children. Rest we do in the next class.